All right, new welding table assembled. It's double the size of my old single fixture table. It's 3 foot by 4 foot. I've got it mostly welded in here. Just going to let it settle for a little while before I do the final welds along the outer edge. But it is straight within a couple thousandths. I've got a couple projects that I definitely will use this surface for. Those are going to be upcoming. But before I start any projects, I wanted to remake this clamp. This is a gun clamp that I made for my vertical surface welding table, where you just slip the gun in here. The MIG gun fits in here, and then this clamps against the table edge. But it won't work with this thickened edge that I have with this fabrication side. It would work on this surface. Obviously that puts the nozzle in the wrong place. So I want to remake this to work with this table. This is a quick sketch. It's basically the same assembly, just transferring the side that the gun attaches to. Here it's in this position. It'll now be off to the side. So this is a pretty simple setup. Piece of channel cut, cleaned up here, tapped and drilled, and then this piece of steel is added to house the gun itself. So let's get some steel and get to work. So here's the finished product, side-by-side comparison. This is a powder coat, which I no longer have. So I just use a rattle can finish on this. I made 2 of these, so one will go on either side of the table. I did paint the threads, but it's a small amount that has to go through here. A little bit of a wire brush on here will clean that up. So the way it works is it clamps underneath the table here, tightens down. Just like that. And the gun sets in here when you're done welding. All in all, I'm happy with it. I'll make another one, like I said, for the other side of the table, and I do have some projects I'm going to make on this welding table. Stay tuned.